The most awaited PUBG Mobile 3.6 update is rolling out starting on Thursday, bringing with it a brand new Sacred Quartet-themed mode along with several exciting features. PUBG Mobile, a popular battle royale game known for its intense gameplay and strategic elements, is all set to take the gaming experience to the next level. The core of this update revolves around the Sacred Quartet theme, introducing players to the Four Guardians sect, a cultivation sanctum nestled atop a mountain. This area features interactive elemental devices like fire stones, which grant speed boosts, and a flame slide, water geysers that launch players into the air, and wood vines that allow climbing. Players can also find refined crates that explode to reveal supplies after interacting with them using elemental arts. The area includes the Elemental Mastery Pavilion, a training hall with more elemental devices, and a serene bamboo forest where players can interact with pandas to obtain a unique panda device. A Mystic Enclave offers teleportation and crate rewards. The update also introduces new elemental arts. Flaming Phoenix grants fireball throwing and high jump abilities. Aqua Dragon creates a defensive water barrier. Whirlwind Tiger provides swift movement and a protective windscreen. Nature Spirit Deer allows players to summon a deer spirit for scouting and teleportation. Moreover, new gameplay mechanics include the Spirit Collecting Bell, where surviving teams compete to activate a bell for supplies, and the Guardians United, a challenge requiring teamwork to utilize elemental arts. The update also features new scenery interactions, such as breakable water vats and chime bells puzzles. Classic mode receives an update with vehicle drifting, adding a new layer of skill to driving. The PUBG Mobile 3.6 update is available for download via the Google Play Store on Android and the App Store on iOS. Simply search for PUBG Mobile and click Update. Get ready to experience the mystical world of the Sacred Quartet.